Are you tired of missing critical emails because your inbox is a mess? Learn how to mark important emails in Gmail in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to mark any email as important. Then, we'll check your marked emails in the dedicated folder. Start by navigating to Gmail's homepage, where you'll see your inbox. Now, find the email you'd like to mark as important. Just scroll through your messages. Hover your cursor over that email, and you'll see a star icon appear. Click it to mark it as important. Repeat this for any other emails you want to mark, clicking the star on each one. To verify, click on Important in the left sidebar to filter your view. There you'll find all the emails you've marked, including the one you just starred. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.